Turn your vehicle into a camper van with the Sheepie Yuna rooftop tent. Open the box. The Yuna rooftop tent comes with a mattress and a ladder. All you need are 2 suitable load bars for your vehicle. 2 people can lift the rooftop tent onto the load bars. A complete mounting kit is included. You'll find this in one of the 2 shoe storage bags. Slide the bolts into the rails and mount the rooftop tent by hand. No tools are needed. Remove the cover. Remove the Velcro strap. Release the ladder. Extend the ladder fully and use it as a lever to open the rooftop tent. Extend the ladder to the right height so that the entire rooftop tent is horizontal. Check that each rung of the ladder is locked in place. Push in the pins and slide out the canopy. Use the separate extendable rod to firmly tension the canopy. Your Yuna rooftop tent is ready to use in just 3 minutes. Enjoy your room with an excellent view.